Derivatives. Consider two call options which are identical, same maturity and same underlying except for the strike price. Denote by CK the price at time 0 of the call option with strike price K. Stating the key arguments required, prove that if there is no arbitrage opportunity, the following relation holds. Okay, so this relation we have to show. Question 1. This is equals to, suppose that for the result doesn't hold. Okay, for that is all equals to, for some lambda belongs to, so I write var epsilon. Okay, so the lambda belongs to 0, 1 or equals to backslash lambda C into K underscore 1 plus 1 minus lambda C into K underscore 2 C of K underscore K, C of K2 is less than C of lambda K underscore 1 plus 1 minus lambda into K underscore 2. Okay, now consider the following investment strategy at time 0. Buy lambda calls with strike price K1 by 1 minus lambda calls with strike price K2 and sell 1 call with strike price okay. This strategy will result in us making immediate profit and there is theory, so I'm not completing the theory. So all equals to backslash lambda max of s underscore t minus k 1, 0 plus 1 minus lambda max of s underscore t minus k underscore 2, 0 minus max of s underscore t minus lambda k1 plus lambda k2 0 should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, remove the bullets now. Now since st is greater than st is greater than k underscore 1 is greater than k underscore 2. Okay, k2 and k1 then, sorry, k2 and then k1. Then obviously s underscore t is greater than lambda k1 plus 1 minus lambda k2. Okay, and therefore this is equals to lambda of s underscore t minus of k underscore 1 plus 1 minus lambda of st and k minus s underscore t minus k underscore 2 minus st of minus lambda k1 plus 1 minus lambda k2 brackets close. So this is equals to 0 and we open. Okay, if s underscore t is less than equal to k underscore 1 is less than k underscore is less than equals to k underscore 2, then s underscore t is less than equals to lambda k1 plus 1 minus lambda k2. Okay, and therefore this is equals to 0 plus 0 minus 0, hence this is also equal to 0. And if k2 is greater than st is greater than k underscore 1 and st is greater than lambda k1 into 1 minus lambda k2, then this is equals to lambda st minus k1, copying this, only this will become 0. Okay, and this is equals to 1 minus lambda into k underscore 2 minus st. Okay, which is all t equals to greater than equals to 0. And if k2 is greater than s underscore t is greater than k1, and st is less than equals to then lambda into st1 minus k1, which is again greater than equal to 0. Since we have our strategy with profits at time t0, therefore the case is that it is proved. Okay.